Have you ever wondered about the strange and puzzling events that have happened in our world? Sometimes even experts cannot explain everything. Today we're going to explore 10 mysterious natural disasters that continue to baffle scientists and leave us with questions. Get ready to uncover the secrets of our planet's most enigmatic moments. But before we dive into these enigmatic phenomena, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our interesting and informative video. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. The Tunguska Event. The Tunguska Event was a massive explosion that occurred on June 30th, 1908 in a remote area near the Tunguska River in Siberia, Russia. A powerful explosion flattened about 2,150 square kilometers, 830 square miles of Siberian forest. It was estimated to be equivalent to 10 to 15 megatons of TNT, making it one of the most significant natural explosions in history. Surprisingly, there was no impact crater found at the epicenter, which is unusual for such a massive explosion. Due to the remote location, there were few direct witnesses, but some reported a bright, bluish light in the sky followed by a shockwave that knocked people off their feet. Hundreds of kilometers away, approximately 80 million trees were completely destroyed in a radial pattern away from the epicenter. Several theories have been proposed to explain the event, including the impact of a comet or asteroid, a meteor airburst, or the explosion of a natural gas pocket. However, the exact cause remains a subject of scientific debate and research. The Tunguska Event remains a significant and enigmatic natural occurrence, and its cause continues to be studied and investigated by scientists and researchers. Number 2. Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. Over the years, the Bermuda Triangle has gained notoriety due to reports of numerous ships and aircraft disappearing under mysterious circumstances while traveling through this area. These incidents often involve a lack of distress calls or radio communication. One of the most famous incidents associated with the Bermuda Triangle occurred in 1945 when 5 U.S. Navy Avenger aircraft, known as Flight 19, vanished during a training flight. The aircraft and their 14 crew members were never found. In addition to aircraft, there have been reports of ships mysteriously disappearing in the Bermuda Triangle. Some notable incidents include the disappearance of the USS Cyclops in 1918 and the tanker SS Marine Sulphur Queen in 1963. Many scientists and experts argue that the Bermuda Triangle's reputation is largely based on myths and misunderstandings. They point to natural explanations for the incidents, including severe weather, navigational errors, and human factors. Some theories suggest that magnetic anomalies in the area may affect compass readings, potentially leading to navigational errors. Despite its mysterious reputation, many of the incidents associated with the Bermuda Triangle can be explained by natural phenomena, human error, and navigational challenges nonetheless. It continues to capture the public's imagination and remains a subject of debate among researchers and scientists. Number 3. 1815 Tambora Eruption. The 1815 eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia is one of the most powerful volcanic eruptions in recorded history. The eruption of Mount Tambora began on April 1815 and reached its peak intensity on April 10th to 11th. Mount Tambora is located on the island of Sumbawa in present-day Indonesia. The Tambora eruption is classified as a supercolossal eruption, which is the highest level of volcanic explosivity. It is estimated to have released about 160 cubic kilometers of volcanic ash, making it several times more powerful than the eruption of Krakatoa in 1883. The eruption had devastating consequences, including the immediate deaths of tens of thousands of people. It generated pyroclastic flows, tsunamis, and a volcanic ash cloud that reached the upper atmosphere. The release of massive amounts of volcanic ash and gases into the stratosphere caused what is known as the year without a summer in 1816. The volcanic particles reflected sunlight, leading to a dramatic drop in temperatures worldwide. The Tambora eruption holds a prominent place in the history of volcanology and climate science. It contributed to the understanding of volcanic eruptions' far-reaching effects on the Earth's climate. Number 4. Siberian Sinkholes. The Siberian sinkholes were first discovered in the Yamal Peninsula, a remote and sparsely populated region in Siberia. These sinkholes are characterized by large, gaping holes in the ground, some measuring up to 30 meters in diameter. They have a funnel-like shape with steep, vertical walls. The exact cause of the Siberian sinkholes remains a subject of scientific investigation and debate. Several theories have been proposed, including the release of methane gas from underground deposits, collapsed underground ice formations, and even meteorite impacts. The appearance of these sinkholes raised concerns about the potential impact on the local environment. Methane emissions, if significant, could contribute to climate change. The Siberian sinkholes serve as a reminder of the Earth's dynamic and complex geological processes, and they continue to be a topic of scientific interest and investigation. Number 5. Red rain. The red rain of Kerala is a mysterious meteorological phenomena that occurred in the Indian state of Kerala in 2001. The rainwater that fell during this period appeared or pinkish in color, hence the name red rain. This colored rainwater caused concern and curiosity among residents. The red rain was reported in several regions of Kerala, with the highest concentration of reports in the district of Kottayam. The unusual rainwater staining clothes and leaving reddish marks on buildings and other surfaces raised questions and sparked investigations. Scientists and researchers conducted extensive studies to understand the cause of the red rain. They collected and analyzed samples of the colored rainwater. The red rain of Kerala continues to capture the imagination of scientists and the public alike, representing an intriguing meteorological mystery that has not been definitively resolved.